guys, it's Modern Addict and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've put out anything, but please bear with me as I try to get more content out there for you guys. In this video, you can see that my trunk is completely dirty and in shambles. I do have a subwoofer in there that you can see now. The subwoofer I installed myself along with the amplifier and the low output converter. So if you have any questions about how to set that up for this particular vehicle, the Mercedes-Benz E350 or w207, I can certainly try to answer any questions about that. But like I said, the purpose of this video is me to clean it out and show you how I would mount the amplifier and whatnot directly to the subwoofer. This is a LC2I created by Audio Control, which is a low output converter. It takes a low frequency signal from the car and then puts it out to the subwoofer. I completely forgot that this is a live cable coming from the battery, so I decided to put a cover on it. I don't think this Alpine monoblock amplifier is in production still, but if you can find this online, I would highly recommend it. It's lasted me over 10 years without any issues, not even one blown fuse, so I recommend it. you can see me wiring up the speaker wire from the subwoofer and connecting it to the amplifier, and you see me roll it up. I know that I could make it shorter, but I just didn't have the time to cut the wires and then resize it, so I decided just to zip tie it all together. I will come back and make this a lot neater. So this particular cable I'm holding right here is actually something I created. It's just a fuse relay. It protects the LOC from the amplifier. If the amplifier blows the fuse on this cable, it will no longer receive power from the amplifier. So it protects the LOC. This cable is actually coming from the car, so I spliced it into this factory subwoofer, and it's actually used as the remote start as well. So you can see that the amplifier turns on once I plug in this cable into the LOC. And this cable, which looks like an old telephone cable, is actually the bass control that I have wired going up to the front seat. That way I can control the bass from the front seat. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I know this was sort of a weird one, but I thought it would be interesting to show you guys this. If you do have any questions about this particular vehicle or how to install a subwoofer into this vehicle, I would be happy to assist where I can. I did do this install 2 years ago by myself, so I do have some knowledge behind that. Thanks again for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.